Good morning, La Turbie. You can hear the church bells just going crazy. It's 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Time to go to church. And this is Diane's terrace of the studio. This is TJ and I's home away from home. A little honeymoon suite, so to speak. And I'm painting the lines this morning. Some joyous church bells. And I have yet to paint about from here to the wall. Just filling in the lines with the beige paint. Diane's terrace looks awesome. She's so happy. Today is also the Monaco Grand Prix, and it's gonna get very loud around here.